Hello everyone, you're welcome to this mini lecture on types of phrases by Joseph Duke Oryono. That's myself. The course unit is structure of the English language, and the class level is Year 1 Bachelor of Teacher Education. So the objectives of the lecture is that by the end of the lecture, I expect all students to be able to define a phrase correctly, explain how phrases are grouped, outline different types of phrases, describe a noun phrase, and use noun phrases in sentences. So let's go direct to the definition of a phrase. A phrase is a group of related words within a sentence that complements the overall structure of a sentence. So a phrase cannot make a complete meaning in itself because it lacks the subject and the object. That means it has to exist within a sentence for it to give a complete meaning. Phrases are grouped according to their functions in sentences. So I have an activity here for you which I would like you to do in groups briefly. Then thereafter you will compare your list with what I have, and you are going to outline the types of phrases that you know from your own experiences. So check if your list has these phrases as verb phrase, noun phrase, adjective phrase, prepositional phrase, adverb phrase, infinitive phrase, gerund phrase, absolute phrase, participle phrase, and appositive phrase. If you have all this on your list, well done. If you don't have some of them, make sure you include them in your list. So for this lecture particularly, I'm going to talk more about noun phrase. A noun phrase works like a noun in a sentence. It consists of a noun as the key word, the determiners, and modifiers. So we are going to look at sentences where noun phrases have been used, and we shall look at the categories which I mentioned. We shall look at the characteristics of a noun phrase. I told you it works like a noun and it contains determiner, modifiers, and the noun itself. So in this sentence we have the community killed a big scary snake. The underlined group of words, a big scary snake, is the noun phrase. It contains the determiner, a, the modifiers big and scary, and then the noun snake. So in the next example, we have a woman on the street yelled for help. In this example, a woman on the street is the noun phrase. A is the determiner, woman is the noun, on the street is the modifier. So, as you can see, a noun phrase can be used after the verb, and it can come at the end of the sentence. In that case, we use it as the object. Then it can also be used before the verb. That means it can also come at the beginning of the sentence, and in that case, we are using it as the subject. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Joseph Duke Oryono. We shall meet next time when I come to you with the other types of phrases.